Hello out there, all Toyota fans. Today we are going to remove and install an engine damper assembly. You can see it right down here. This unit right there looks like a shock absorber. All Toyota Camrys, Solaras, and Avalons 99 to 02 have something just like this. If not, it's exactly the same. It has to be the 3.0 V6 motor. Okay, so first we're going to look at our tools. You'll have the extension, PV blast pipe for leverage, 3/8 inch ratchet, 14mm socket, and a short extension. So first thing, we're going to build our assembly here. And there's 2 bolts at the bottom. One's right here, and the other one is right there. A total of 4 bolts altogether. And the other 2 are up in here. It's a little bit hard to see. This is what you're going to take out. So we're going to get our first ones at the base. Okay, first I just want to let you know, before you attempt this, always want to support the vehicle. Take the weight off of the car. Let's see right there, I use a block of wood under the cross member. Okay, so we're going to go get that 1 bolt. I would advise against not using impact tools, because if the bolts have been in there for a very long time, they may be difficult to get out and you don't want to snap them. Okay, loosen that up. And we're going to get the second one here. Okay, those are loose. And now we're going to take off the other 2. Okay, so you're going to get your ratchet up in there. Do that, and then start ratcheting. The second one here as well. Okay, once they're loose, hurry, use your fingers and get the rest of them out. Got 2 of them. Now we're going to reach down and get the other one right there. That's 3. And we want that other one right down there. Okay. 4 bolts. We're just going to lift this unit out of there. Now I had to use PV blast to try to loosen everything up, so I just want to clean off the cross member. It looks nice and clean down there. And this is the new assembly. Here's the part number. These are available aftermarket. However, I would refrain from using aftermarket and get the actual OEM replacement. You can see this is the new unit here. Looks just like a shock absorber. Oh, dirt there. Okay, so we'll start with our installation. We're going to slide this down. And good thing with OEM, everything lines up exactly the way it's designed to. Start a couple by hand. I always use thread locker around the threads just because there's a lot of vibration and torque with these parts. And we'll start this one. And there. No, it's kind of hard. I'm gonna try to get the camera down so you can see it there maybe. If this is helping. You kind of see the bolts right there. Let's put the second one in. Okay. Now, straighten this out. We're going to put the fourth one in right in that hole. Alright, you can see that's lined up now. They're tight, so we're going to go back at our extension. Now remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You don't want to torque these on just yet. Get them all tight, make sure they're all snug. And then get your smaller extension with here. And get in here. Once, and you move to the second one. Again, I know this angle is difficult to see, but anyone who's a mechanic knows you kind of go by feeling. Okay, and that's it. Then you'll lower the jack. Move the jack, and then your engine damper is replaced. Anyone who has experience, relatively easy repair. Once again, I would recommend using an OEM part and not an aftermarket. You'll get the exact fit. The old mechanics adage is you get what you pay for. So you want to make sure you put a nice quality part on there. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.